Hello, I'm Taylor Thomas, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Federal Student Aid Student Gov website to find scholarship money as well as fellowships and grants for school. I know that during this trying time it's important to find as many ways to pay for school that you don't have to repay back in the form of student loans. So let's get started. Since it's October, it's important to note that this is the month where you can start applying for federal student aid through the FAFSA. This application is located on this website, studentaid.gov, and on this website you're able to log in or create an account if you don't have one and explore how to pay for school. Up here at the top we have numerous tabs where they show you how to understand aid, apply for aid, complete the aid process, and manage your student loans if you already have those. To get started, I'm going to show you how to understand aid. So I'll click on that, and right here it's going to show you the types of financial aid. You can apply for grants, scholarships, work-study jobs, student loans, and other aid for military families, or if you're an international student. Today I'm going to focus on how you can use this website, studentaid.gov, to find scholarships. So I will click on this tab right here under the types of financial aid link. Once you click on that, it should take you to this home page, and at the top it encourages you to start early and meet your deadline so you can have as much money as you can for school and you can be selected right away. So right here it tells you what kinds of scholarships are available. Many are merit-based, many are determined by the scholarship giver, and many are based on your financial aid needs. And there are also scholarships for military families. So if you're a military family and you're looking for money for school, that's an important link you can also click on. So you may ask, how do I find scholarships? You can find them on your own, or you can enlist the help of your guidance counselor, or you can enlist the help of your financial aid office at your school. Or as you see right here, you can use the Memphis Library's reference section. And on that website, we have a link where you can do college prep as well as ACT and SAT prep as well. Today, I'm going to click on this link right here to introduce you to the U.S. Department of Labor's free scholarship search tool. When I click on that link, this will take you to this home page. You'll see Scholarship Finder. Now, this won't only help you find scholarships, it'll help you find grants and other financial aid award opportunities as well. You can look through the whole list below, which is a lot of rewards, which are over 8,000 in total, or you can narrow it down by study. You can go from bachelor's degree, graduate degree, all the way up to professional development and vocational studies. You can also narrow your award type by scholarship, fellowship, grant, prize, public grant, and loan if you choose to. It's important to note that you can also note where you live and where you will study, and if you have any affiliations you want to incorporate, these are very helpful. Also, gender. So let's say I'm going to school for the first time, I haven't applied for anything, and I want to find out what's available to me. How could I do this? First, I would click on bachelor's degree, and it took us from 8,000 awards to 5,000. Next, say I live in the United States, so I'm going to click on U.S. Now we're down to 3,000 awards. Next, I'm going to study in the U.S. as well, and so I'll click on that too. And now it's taking us down to 2,052 awards. That's a lot more narrow search than the 8,000 we previously saw. Okay. So I'm looking through, and you see off to the side, these are the level of studies that these scholarships pay for. These are the scholarships. It tells you the organization that's providing the scholarship and what's the overall purpose of these scholarships. Many of these are important to note that they do not require an essay. So that's to save you time and help you apply sooner and receive the money in a quick way. As I'm scrolling down the page, I'm just going to show you how different the various awards are. Many are scholarships, but like I previously told you, others are grants, and some are even fellowships. And these are the award amounts, so you'll know exactly how much you can gain from applying for these scholarships or fellowships or grants. Next, I want to narrow it down just one more step, African American. That's going to give me only 45 awards, but these may be some of the awards that I would qualify for and get an easy scholarship. So I'm looking and I'm seeing, I want to click on one to see which stands out to me. So one that I'm seeing that I could probably apply for would be this one right here, the Ronald McDonald House African American Future Achievers Scholarship. Every scholarship you click on using this website will tell you the organization, the phone number for contact, the email address, the level of study, which is bachelor's degree, the award type, scholarship, so you would not have to repay this, and the purpose. It also gives you a list of qualifications. The first one that I see is that you must be a current high school senior and you must be less than 21 years of age. And you must be living in a participating local Ronald McDonald Chapter's geographic area. Now, if that's something you don't know about, you can do a quick Google search to see if there's one in your area. And it also gives you the important date to apply, which will be January 18th. So that's just one of many ways that you can find scholarships to help you prepare for college. And if you ever need any help, you can also refer to this website, careeronestop.org and studentaid.gov. I hope this helps you find as many scholarships as you can to start your college year off stress-free and with less worries about funds. I hope you have a great day.